Everyone, okay, today we are going to discuss about the conversion is nothing but the hexadecimal to decimal conversion. So previously we discussed about the conversions from the decimal to binary, then binary to decimal, then octal to decimal and decimal to octal, then octal to binary and binary to octal we discussed it. Now we are going for the converting is nothing but hexadecimal number into the decimal number system. Later on we will convert into the decimal number system to the hexadecimal number system. Okay. So here the word hexadecimal. What is a hexa? Hexa indicates 6, decimal indicates 10. So it is nothing but hexadecimal is nothing but combination of 6 plus 10, that is 16 values is nothing but the hexadecimal number system. Okay. So we are having the number system is nothing but decimal number system. In the decimal number system we are having the values is nothing but 0 to 9. So after 9 the number which will come, it will be repeating the words from the 0 to numbers from the 0 to 9 itself. Okay. Now if we are going for the hexadecimal number system, here we need totally how many values? 16 values, that is from 0 to 15. So we need the values from the 0 to 15. So 0 to 9 I can write 0 to 9, totally 10 values I can write it from the decimal part. What about the remaining, that is from 10 to 15? This is generated by this hexadecimal number system. So the hexadecimal number system is a combination of decimal and hexa values. Decimal is nothing but the totally 10 values plus hexa is nothing but the 6 values. So in this hexadecimal number system you will get the values is from 0 to 15. How to represent that is nothing but we are shown in on table here. In this table I am writing the values from 0 to 15. So totally how many values? 16 values starting from 0 ending with the 15. So totally 16 values are there, 0 to 15. This is represented in terms of a decimal. How to represent these remaining, that is from the 10. From the 10 to 15 in case of hexadecimal number system means we have taken the help of the characters like alphabets. Okay, so you will be having the alphabets A, B, C, D up to totally 26 alphabets are there. In that one we have taken only first 6 letters, that is first 6 alphabets we have taken to represent the values. So here to represent the 10 we needed A, we have taken the A. To represent 11 we have taken the B. To represent 12 we have taken the C. To represent 13 we have taken the D. To represent 14 we have taken the E. To represent 15 we have taken the F. Okay, so now we are having the hexadecimal number system. In this number system we are having totally 16 values, that is from 0 to 15. So 0 to 9 is represented by the values is nothing but the decimal number system. Remaining 10 to 15 is represented by 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 10 is represented by the alphabet A, 11 is represented by the alphabet B, 12 is represented by the alphabet C, 13 is represented by the alphabet D and 14 is represented by the alphabet E and 15 is represented by the alphabet F. Totally there are 6 values are taken, that is A to F. Okay. Now and you already seen that conversion from the decimal number system to the binary. Okay. So decimal number system to the binary number system we have taken. So why I am explaining? So here you are having the values, so 0 to 15 are represented. How many digits are there? Here totally 16. Okay. So totally 16 digits are there. So what is the maximum number? 15. So you have to convert the 15 into the decimal value into the binary number system. So what you will get? 2 7s are 14, remainder is 1. Then 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. Then 2 1s are 2, remainder is 1s. From the bottom to top you have to take. What is the values? 1 1 1 1. So it is in the which number system? Binary. So it is binary representation system. So maximum value is represented by how many bits? 1 2 3 4. So only we have taken the representation of from 0 to 15 by using the 4 bits. Okay. That is one point. And one more is, what is 2 to the power of 4? 2 to the power of 4 is nothing but 16. So how many bits is required there? 4 bits is required to represent the number, that is for 16 combinations. Okay. So only you are converted the 0 into the here 4 zeros, 1 to the 0 0 1, 2 is nothing but 0 0 1 0 like that. Okay. So this is nothing but your table construction. Now we are going for the conversion. So which conversion we are doing? We are converting from the hexadecimal to the decimal number system. So before moving to that one, just recall that the weighted structure of the hexadecimal number system. Weighted structure is nothing but, here this point is nothing but the hexadecimal point. Hexadecimal point is separating the integer part separate and fraction part separate. Integer part is nothing but whatever will come on the left side of the hexadecimal point is nothing but the integer part. Whatever will come on the right side of the hexadecimal is nothing but the fraction part. So this hexadecimal point will be separating the integer part separate, fraction part separate we are doing. Okay. So we have to start with the, from the left we have to start with the 0, 1, 2 etc. in the power of 16. 16 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 1, 16 to the power of 2 etc. we have to go for the left side. On coming for the fraction part, you have to represent 16 to the power of minus 1, 16 to the power of minus 2, like that you have to represent. Okay. Then we will go with the one example where hexadecimal number is taken, that will be converted to the decimal number system. Okay. You take there F6, F is a alphabet. F is a alphabet which is representing the value what? Decimal is 15. Okay. So by seeing the question only you can analyze what number of, what type of a number system it is. And we are given here below here 16. What is the base of this number system? Okay. We have taken F6 dot E2. So F6 is the integer part, E2 is a fraction part. Okay. So here you have to represent F6 dot E2. I have taken the question again. Okay. So the decimal part we have to represent, from the decimal part you have to write 0, 1. Okay. It is nothing but 16 to the power of 0, 16 to the power of 1. What about this one? That is 16 to the power of minus 1, 16 to the power of minus 2. Okay. So when you are doing here, you have to write it like F into 16 to the power of 1 plus 6 into 16 to the power of 0 plus E into 16 to the power of minus 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power of minus 2. Okay. Now, what is the value of F? From the table we can get what is the value of F. F value is nothing but 15. So, you have to write 15 into 16 plus here 6 into anything to the power of 0. Anything to the power of 0 is nothing but 1 plus what is here E. What is the value of E? E is nothing but 14. So, 14 into 16 to the power of minus 1 plus 2 into 16 to the power of minus 2. Pause minute. Okay. Now, so before here 16 to the power of minus 1, you calculate this one, 16 to the power of minus 1, 16 to the power of minus 2. So, anything to the power of minus 1 or negative, if you go for the denominator, it will become positive. So, here 16 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 1 divided by 16. 1 divided by 16 is nothing but 0.0625. 0.0625. So, when you are writing here, you can write it here 15 into 16 is nothing but you will get the answer is 240 plus 6 into 1 is 6 plus 14 into what is the value of 16 to the power of minus 1? 16 to the power of minus 1 is nothing but 0.0625 plus 2 into 16 to the power of minus 2. 16 to the power of minus 2 is nothing but 1 divided by 16 square. 16 square is nothing but 256. What you will get? 0.0039. 0.0039 here. Okay. Then you have to go on calculating here. So, what you will get? 240 plus 6. You can write 240 plus 6 is nothing but 246 plus here 14 into 0.0625. If you do the 14 into 0.625, you will get the answer is 0.875. 0.875 plus 2 into 0.0039. 2 into 0.0339 is nothing but 0.0078. Okay. Now we add this one. Okay. So, what is there? 246 is there. So, nothing is there means you can put dot 00 plus what you have to add? 0.875 plus what you have to add? 0.0078. So, if you do the addition 8 plus nothing is there nothing but you have to put 0. So, it is 8. 7 plus 5 is 12, 1 carry. So 7 plus 1, 8, here 8 dot, here it is 246. So I will get the answer is nothing but 246 dot 8828, which is in which number system? Decimal. You have to put the 10. Pause.